everyone, I'm Fiona. There are two things I'd like to talk about in this video. First, there are 4 pieces of reinforcement bar behind of this back aluminum plate for this mold. The position of the reinforcement bar avoids the position of the EPS filling gun and ejector. Secondly, in order to ensure the filling result, we moved the position of the EPS filling gun, compare it with the old EPS mold. Here, I'd like to take some time to thank my customer for providing complete and accurate feedback and accept our imperfection and still choose to stay with us and believe us. It's meant a lot to me. Give us a chance to become more and more professional in making EPS mold. Thank you.